Alright guys, so you can see the string. Now over there we kind of did it a little different because we ran out. We might get another one eventually. Alright guys, so this is what the curtain looks like. Pretty awesome if I do say so myself. This is just one mode, obviously. We can do sound mode. Today we are showing you these RGB string lights. They are curtain string lights, 6.5 by 6.5 feet. Little manual. You can download their app and go through different settings with their app. And you can just do a lot of really cool stuff. If you do not want to use their app, that's fine. They give you this remote controller, or I should say remote, where you have tons of settings as well on here. So these are the lights. When you take them off, just be careful so you don't tangle them up. They do have them wrapped pretty nicely. Oh wow, they are really nice. You can change tons of different settings. Obviously we don't have them hooked up yet, set up, but they're really nice. We just wanted to test them out. It's always good to test something out before you actually install it anywhere. At least that's what I've come to learn. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. Alright guys, so you can see the string. Now over there we kind of did it a little different because we ran out. We might get another one eventually, but we'll show you guys what it looks like at night. Basically when it picks up sound, so if you have music going on, we can make it brighter or dimmer, as you can see here. Again, you can change the colors to tons of colors. As you can see, we're going through different settings. So you can set it up different modes here, which is really cool. A lot of really cool modes. So wow, this is actually really nice. I like this a lot. Again, there are so many modes, just so many. And you just tap, like for the remote, you just tap the same button multiple times and it will change, which is really cool. It's really cool. And once we set it up even better, it's going to look even better as well. So there's just so much you guys can do with this. I mean, I don't know how many different effects it has, and we don't even have it lined up as good as we should. So we still need to lay it out better, even it out more, and it will look even better than what it does. So if we pull everything out, yeah, I think it's really awesome. Again, like there's just so many effects. It's just insane. Like it really isn't. It really is insane. I mean, it really is. All of these are just different effects. Every single one. That's cool. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on and on. You can rotate them around. I mean, this is just so much stuff to do. Overall, I'm very impressed.